When is Spotify Wrap 2025 releasing? In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the date which the Spotify Wrap 2025 is going to be released. Now before that, if you go to your Spotify app like this, looking right here is the home page of my Spotify app. Now at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. If you click on that, looking here, you can see where it says listening stats. Now I want to actually show you guys something here. If you click on listening stat like this, you'd be able to see the music you've been able to listen to weekly. These are the weekly wrap for you 2025. You'll be able to see the music you listened for the last week, the last other week, and a week before that week. You can see it right here. These are the music I listened to. These are the weekly wrap on my Spotify app. So in order for you to actually check your yearly wrap, which is the wrap for 2025, now looking right here on this note here, you can see the release date for each wrap from different years. Now looking here, in 2024 the Spotify wrap was actually released on December 4th, which was on Wednesday. On 2023 the Spotify wrap was released on November 30th, which is on Thursday. Likewise, on 2022 it was actually released as well on November 30th, and on 2021 it was released on December 1st. 2020 it was also released on December 1st, which is on Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are the days we are going to be expecting it to be released. So likewise, this year it might actually be released on the December 1st of this year, or the November 30th of this year. So the December 1st of this year is this. So if you go to your calendar, then December 1st of this year is going to be on Monday, whereas if they release it on this November 30th, it's going to actually be on Sunday. So this is the date we are going to be expecting the Spotify wrap to be released. Meanwhile, you can actually check your weekly wrap on your Spotify by going to your profile like this, click on listening stats, and you'll be able to see your weekly stats right here, the weekly wrap. So if you want to check the Spotify wrap for 2025, if it is now released, you can go to the search button here and search for Spotify wrap 2025. Just go ahead and search for Spotify wrap 2025 and you'll be able to see it popping up right here, or it is going to be showing on your home page here, showing you that it is now available on your Spotify. So this is how you can actually know the date which your Spotify wrap 2025 is going to be released. Hope you found this video helpful. Now we've come to the very end of this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.